Oppo F11 Pro. Upon checking of the unit, LCD is broken and battery has been damaged on a previous repair. Using a card, gently separate back cover. Remove the 11 screw in upper part of phone. Using prying tool, remove the camera flex cover and disconnect front camera flex. Remove all 9 screws in lower part of phone. Using prying tool, gently separate back frame into mid frame. Gently disconnect the flex and remove fingerprint sensor. In here you will see the battery cover has been damaged. Replacing battery is required. Now let's check subboard if it's in good condition. Using prying tool, gently remove the speaker. Subboard is good. Now let's place back the speaker. Disconnect LCD flex. Using prying tool, let's separate the LCD into middle frame. Now let's clean and remove old adhesive in the middle frame. Make sure to clean the entire frame before installing the new LCD. Now let's install the new LCD. Apply a thin layer of adhesive glue into frame. Let it dry for at least 30 minutes. Now let's place the new battery. Place the fingerprint sensor and connect the flex cable. Gently place the back frame into middle frame. Now let's place all 20 screws. Now let's apply a thin layer of adhesive into back frame. Then let's place the back cover into back frame. Let it dry for at least 30 minutes. Now let's test the touch screen.